In this video, I'm going to show you how to order a Lyft ride in 2025. First things first, pull up the app, of course, and I will say I have a couple of things blacked out just for privacy reasons. When it comes to ordering a Lyft, it is extremely simple. The first thing you're going to do is click where are you going right there. Now by default, your start location is your current location, meaning the Lyft is going to come to wherever you are. It is tracked by GPS. However, let's say you want to order a Lyft for somebody else or whatever, you could do that by going to start. And let's say I want to go from the Santa Monica Pier, and then let's say I want to go to now Grain Whiskey Bar. Now there's two options you have when it comes to typing this in. Either A, you can type in the business. I will say for Lyft, it has most businesses, restaurants, concert venues, bars, everything. So I'm just going to type in Grain. Pretty simple, right? And I'm going to click that. And then once I do, it's going to show me the exact map, the exact route. In addition though, like say I'm like, I want to go to, I'll just type in the Grain address. It's 119 Culver Boulevard. I can do that, right? So I can either type in the address itself or search by the restaurant, the venue, basically the name of the business or the name of that area. Now, once this pops up, this is going to show me my current ride as it stands. Now, typically, you have a couple different options when it comes to Lyft. Typically, you can either do in 2 minutes, which is kind of the standard. So this is going to be like about $30. I could do priority pickup, which means it's going to get here very fast. So if you're in a rush, it's going to be a little more expensive, but you get it quicker. And then you can see right here, wait and save. The idea, as it probably sounds, it says within 15 minutes, a Lyft will come and it's cheaper. Now, it does depend, I find, when ordering it. Because as you can see here, it's what, 50 cents cheaper? Not that much. But sometimes this wait and save option can be significantly cheaper. So keep that in mind. Another option I have to order a Lyft is an XL. So you can have maximum 4 people in the Lyft. 1 in shotgun, 3 in the back. Of course, you have the driver. So let's say if you have 5 people with you. If you have a group with you, you have to get a Lyft XL, which is a bigger vehicle for more people. Then you have a few different kind of more customizable, or I might even say premium options. Some of these might be more your style or not. To me, I usually just order regular Lyfts, but I do have extra comfort right here. You can see stretch your legs in a newer, more spacious car. Ride with only top-rated drivers and get some help with your bags. Enjoy a moment to yourself or get work done in a quiet ride. So I can do this if I want, right? I can do an extra comfort. Think of it kind of in between a normal Lyft and a premium ride. It's kind of like in between. Because then I have Lyft Black right here, and I have Lyft Black SUV. So basically, these are black cars, more expensive rides, more expensive vehicles. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I think these might be a little overpriced, but let's say if you want to roll up in style, let's say it's Vegas, Miami, LA, and you want to roll up and, have that effect with a super, super nice black SUV, you can do so. Then you have Uber Green, which as you can imagine is a green vehicle. And then lastly, going down here, I have Uber Pet, basically where I can ride with a pet. So if I have a dog or cat with me, I can order Uber Pet. In this case, I typically would just use the regular Lyft. I'm just gonna do that. And then I'm going to click the payment method. Now, as you can imagine, I've already put in my credit card information, but right here, I have a few different payment methods. Right here, I have credit or debit card, which is what most people are typically going to use. I have PayPal, Venmo, and just straight cash. So these different options to pay for that Lyft ride. Once I enter in my information, all I'm going to do is click select standard. And then once I do, I want to make sure that it's at the right location in terms of picking up and dropping off. And then I'm going to click confirm request. I will say I'm not going to do that on this video because I don't need this Lyft, but I hit confirm request and I'm good to go. It is that simple. Now, once I order that Lyft, what's going to happen is in real time, it's going to track the driver and show you exactly where they are as they're approaching you. The driver can see your location and you can see the driver's location. The Lyft will pop up and come right to your location, whatever your starting point is. Once it gets there, you want to double check on the make and the model of the vehicle, 1, 2, the license plate, and 3, the driver's name. Just to be safe, you want to make sure you're getting in the right Lyft. Now, once you get in that Lyft, you say hi to your driver, everything else is really on the driver, meaning the driver will actually start the ride on their app. They have a special app, not just a regular Lyft app, but a Lyft driver app. So they will start the ride. Then you continue driving, they're going to drive you to your location. And then once you get to your location, they will end the ride again on their part on that app. So they both start and end the ride. The good thing is all you have to do is click order. That Lyft, you can watch it come to you. At this point, you just sit back and relax, wait for that Lyft to get there, get in, and everything else is on the driver.